The importance of maintaining your smoke alarms. Smoke alarms save lives by alerting people to the dangers of smoke. Smoke is poisonous. It is what kills most people in a fire. Smoke alarms should be maintained so that they work when needed. Maintaining your smoke alarms will also prevent them from a nuisance alert when there is no danger. Sometimes a smoke alarm may sound with no visible smoke or steam. Dust, cobwebs, or bugs that enter the smoke alarm can set off the alarm. If this happens, do this. Gently vacuum around your smoke alarms to remove cobwebs and dust. Check for spiders and ants that may have crawled into your alarms and remove them. After cleaning your smoke alarms, push the test button to make sure they are working properly. As a reminder, test smoke alarms monthly. Never cover, paint, or remove smoke alarms. For smoke alarms that do not have long life batteries, replace batteries once a year or if the smoke alarm chirps, which is a sign for low power. Replace smoke alarms that do not sound when tested or if they are more than 10 years old. The manufacturer's date can generally be found on the back of the smoke alarm. Visit the Seattle Public Utilities website to learn about proper battery and smoke alarm disposal.